City staff often need to visualize data using different backgrounds or basemaps, such as aerial imagery, topography, terrain, and gray format, to name a few. ViewPro's map portal comes loaded with 10 standard basemap templates in a ready-to-use format. The 3D-enabled map portal will default to a topographic background, since it provides the best 3D visualization for minor to significant level differences in land elevation. In order to change the default basemap, click the basemap icon, then click the desired basemap options that are clearly illustrated with a thumbnail image. After clicking, the basemap will automatically trigger the change on the map. Users can change the basemap as many times as required. After refreshing, the map portal will always default back to the topographic basemap. City staff may be required to draw shapes and objects in order to mimic various development proposals on parcels that are being considered for development. With the Draw tool, users can draw these objects directly on the map and use the map controls to analyze the objects in their surrounding context. This functionality is simple, yet very useful to make quick and informed decisions by analyzing the impact of the proposed development in 2 easy steps. Drawn shapes and objects will stay on the map until either the map is refreshed or the user clears the objects by clicking the Clear button on the Draw widget. City staff may be required to identify distance between 2 points, or quickly calculate the area of the proposed development on parcels that are being considered for development. This tool provides the functionality to measure linear distances and calculate area in a 3D environment. The linear distance tool can prove to be very handy as it provides the 3D supported horizontal and vertical distance between the 2 points, in addition to a standard direct distance. The Area tool can not only mimic the Draw tool with users' ability to draw various objects, but also provides the perimeter length and the total area of the shape drawn. This functionality is simple, yet very useful to aid in decision-making with quick measurement analysis in 2 steps. Drawn shapes and objects will stay on the map until either the map is refreshed or the user clears the objects by clicking the Clear button on the Draw widget. 2D and 3D print functionality work very differently from each other. For example, 2D printing allows the map view to be printed at a certain scale, such as 1 to 100. In contrast, 3D printing cannot accommodate a specific scale. Instead, it allows you to take a snapshot of the 3D view of the map and export it as a JPEG image that can be directly used in presentations. In order to take a 3D snapshot of the map view, click the Save View as JPEG button. The snapshot can then be downloaded by clicking the View JPEG button. This functionality is simple, but very useful to generate 3D views of the cityscape.
enCodePlus is so much more.